Trucking companies are required to follow strict weight limits for a reason. When a truck is overloaded, it becomes a ticking time bomb on the road. Brakes fail, tires blow out, and drivers lose control, often with deadly consequences. If your loved one has been injured in an accident caused by an overloaded truck, you need to know how to protect your rights and hold the responsible parties accountable. Hi, I'm Auger Auger with Auger Auger, a family-run law firm proudly serving Charlotte and the surrounding North Carolina community for over 30 years. Today we're discussing overloaded truck accidents, why they happen, who may be responsible, and what North Carolina laws say about these dangerous violations. What makes overloaded truck accidents so dangerous? Commercial trucks already weigh tens of thousands of pounds, but when they exceed legal weight limits, the risks multiply. Overloaded trucks take longer to stop, have a greater chance of rolling over, and put excessive strain on brakes and tires. These factors increase the likelihood of catastrophic accidents, especially in highways and steep roads where controlling a heavy vehicle is even more difficult. An overloaded truck can also cause sudden tire blowouts, leading to dangerous debris on the road and unpredictable movements that other drivers cannot anticipate. Now, what causes overloaded truck accidents? Most overloaded truck accidents occur because trucking companies or drivers cut corners to maximize profits. Some companies allow or even encourage drivers to exceed legal weight limits to transport more cargo in fewer trips. In other cases, improper loading can create an uneven weight distribution, making the truck unstable even if it technically meets weight regulations. Drivers may also be unaware of how much cargo they are carrying if weigh station checks are skipped or falsified. When trucks are not loaded correctly or exceed federal or state weight limits, the risk of mechanical failure, rollovers, and multiple car collisions increase significantly. So who is responsible for an overloaded truck accident? Liability in an overloaded truck accident often extends beyond the driver. While a truck driver may be at fault for failing to conduct proper weight inspections, their employer may also be responsible if they pressured drivers to exceed legal limits or ignored safety protocols. Shipping companies or cargo loaders can also be held liable if they fail to follow proper weight distribution guidelines. In some cases, truck manufacturers or maintenance providers may share responsibility if mechanical failures contributed to the crash. At Auger Auger, we conduct thorough investigations to determine every responsible party and hold them accountable for the harm they have caused. Now let's talk about North Carolina law and overloaded trucks. North Carolina follows strict weight regulations set by both state and federal laws. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, FMCSA, establishes weight limits to ensure that commercial trucks operate safely, and violations can result in hefty fines and penalties. North Carolina state laws further enforce these limits, requiring trucks to undergo weigh station inspections at various points throughout their routes. Despite these regulations, some companies find ways to evade inspection or falsify records to keep overloaded trucks on the road. When a trucking company violates these laws and puts lives at risk, they must be held accountable. North Carolina also follows the contributory negligence rule, which means that even if an injured party is found even slightly at fault for an accident, they may not be able to recover damages. This is why having an experienced attorney is crucial in protecting your rights and ensuring that blame is placed where it belongs, on the negligent parties responsible for overloading the truck. What compensation can you recover? Victims of overloaded truck accidents may be entitled to compensation for medical expenses, lost wages, property damage, and pain and suffering. In cases where gross negligence is involved, such as a company knowingly allowing overweighted trucks on the road, punitive damages may be awarded to prevent similar reckless behavior in the future. At Auger Auger, we have decades of experience handling complex truck accident cases. Our team investigates every detail from weigh station logs and driver records to company policies and mechanical inspections. We work to counter the tactics used by trucking companies and their insurance providers who try to shift blame or minimize claims. With our A&A zero fee guarantee, you don't pay anything unless we win your case. If your loved one has been injured in an overloaded truck accident in Charlotte or anywhere in North Carolina, don't wait. Call Auger Auger today for free, no obligation consultation. Let us fight for the justice and compensation you deserve.